Hey trendsetters! It's time to dive into the world of DIY fashion hacks and customizations. Get ready to transform your wardrobe with KYU and let your creative ideas scream you. Let's get started. Upgrade your plain tees or denim jackets with colorful threads and unique designs. It's a game changer for that personalized flair. Unleash your inner artist with fabric paint. Create custom patterns or quotes on your sneakers, jeans, or even a canvas bag. It's an easy way to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Feeling a bit boho? Jazz up your shorts, jackets, or even a simple tee with fringe details. It's an instant fashion upgrade that adds movement and personality. Add delicate lace to the hem of your jeans or the sleeves of a shirt. It's a charming detail that brings a touch of romance to your everyday wear. And there you have it, your DIY fashion hacks guide. Which hack are you excited to try? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative fashion inspo, and I'll catch you in the next one. Get ready to rock your unique style, DIY enthusiasts. See you soon.